The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. There are 3 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the glove box light. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1154 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the screws.